Alright guys, good evening to you all creatives. Welcome to day 2 of our daily text effect. The 2 of our daily text effects. I'm coming. Confused. Okay, welcome. So I'm gonna be explaining some little things to us this evening, so we'll get to understand what is all about. Now, for instance, this is a PSD file, a Photoshop file, text effect I've done in Photoshop. So there are 2 ways you can achieve this. The first way you can achieve your text to be a daily effect. One way is the first one of you exporting your work from your current draw. Maybe for instance now, from your current draw. Sorry about that. Okay, from your current draw, probably let's say we want to import the export this ASA culture now, but we're not going to use this one. Maybe you export it as your PNG. Let's say, okay, I think that'll be PNG file. Okay, let's use this ngrow. Now what you need to do is first is you go to this editable layer. This one you're seeing my cursor is, and this editable layer, you double click. I'm going to be showing us 2 ways you can achieve our text effect, even though if you don't want to export your text. Okay. Now we can just import. You don't have just don't resolve. You can import the text you did, which is this ngrow. Okay, let's say you want to import this ngrow now. So you can just increase it to your desire. Now, one thing you should know about is the color does not matter. It can be in black, it can be any color you export your text. It will still convert to the color of the text effect. So let's leave it like this. You click your check mark, then you close it from this tab, or you control save there. You close it from this tab, but best way is for you to close from that tab. Now, when we go to our other layer, you will see that it has worked, that ngrow. Now what you need to do is you have to just do is I don't want to use the lens flare, that is the flare. I don't want to use the flare that was there, so I don't want to use the flare, so let's just leave the flare. So what you need to do is sorry about that, Ctrl Shift Z. So what you just need to do is you close the background. The background is off. So if you also want to close the the flare, all you just need to do is you will look for the flare layer and click it off. You turn off the I button, is off. So it's not a PNG file. So what you just need to do is Ctrl Shift Alt W, that is to say save as. Ctrl Shift export, Ctrl Shift Alt W. When you Ctrl Shift Alt W, so it will ask you, sorry that my stem is becoming slow, I don't know why it's becoming slow this evening. So it will ask you how you want to export it. Come on. Now you export it as a PNG, or you export it as a JPEG, but if you export it as a JPEG, it has a background, so the best is as a PNG. So let's close this. Okay, let me show you the second way we can do that again. The second way you can do that again is you come to this layer, editable layer. We don't want to use ngrow. Let's say you want to use I love, for instance. Now all you just need to do, the font will change because I don't have this font. So all you just need to do is bring your own font. Okay, let me just delete these two and bring my own font. All I just need to do is I love. So let me use Bebas Loa. Oh, what's going on now? Papers, I don't know why this thing is doing like this. Papers, no one just coming to it because I slept this stuff. Wow. Let's just go for Bebas so that okay, this is, let's just use Bebas, no. So just increase the font here. You can also increase the font by Ctrl T, then you hold down your Alt and you scale it from the edge. So then you move. You see that line showing it is centralized. Then you press the check mark, then you close. Yes. So you can see the I love is there. So the background is turned off, the flare is turned off. So those are the two ways you can do your 3D text effect. Either you import your text, your design, maybe you have do some design, some shapes on it. So the best way to do is to export as a PNG from your current draw. But if it's just a plain word you want to just design, you can just come to Photoshop and type it at once. So that's how to create your 3D text effects. Thank you.